Thinkware Q800 Pro dashcam, 2K QHD 1440p front dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, super night vision and an app. Another great dashcam from Thinkware. Let's see if it's worth the price.
Continuous recording will now start. GPS connected. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
Tiago here, welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start a review of the Thinkware Dashcam Q800 Pro. I will tell you all about this dashcam, price, qualities, image quality, build quality. Let's start with the price. The Q800 dashcam has a price tag of £229 for UK, and for the US the price tag is $199.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Let's see what we have in the box. The Thinkware boxes are very cool, with loads of information about the dashcams. We have the Q800 Pro in big at the front. The Q800 Pro is the first thing you will see. Let's see the accessories next. So, you have a USB micro card reader. A great accessory from Thinkware. Windshield mount. Manual with all the information about the cloud as well. Polarizing filter. Spare 3M mounting tape. Hard wiring cable. A 32GB micro SD card. And cable clips. Thinkware is one of the best regarding accessories. I'll be using the Thinkware card charger not included in this box, instead of the hard wiring cable. Let's see the Q800 Pro main unit more in detail. It feels high quality to touch and not feel like cheap plastic. It has a 5.14 megapixel Sony STARVIS image sensor. In the front you have 3 LEDs indicators for GPS, recording and Wi-Fi. You have also 5 buttons: voice recording, the format button, in the middle the manual recording button, the power button and the Wi-Fi button. Below that you have the speaker. On the right side you have the GPS port, the DC in power and one input port. Left side you have the main camera. At the bottom the micro SD card slot and the security LED. At the back the mount connectors. Next is the specs. So you have a 5.14 megapixel Sony STARVIS image sensor, 2K QHD 1440p at 30 fps, super night vision 2.0, a super capacitor, you have parking mode, built-in GPS, you have also a GPS port for external GPS antenna. You got built-in Wi-Fi. You have a Thinkware Cloud and a mobile app with support for iOS or Android. The installation is easy. You can mount the dashcam anywhere. The cables are long enough. After that, you can adjust the camera and you are ready to start recording. Next, the image quality. So you have 2K QHD 1440p at 30 fps with 140 degrees wide angle lens. The footage coming out of the Q800 Pro is crispy and clear, full of detail, and in my opinion is one of the best at this level. Let's see the night image next. So you have a super night vision 2.0. What you guys think? I still think that is quite good. You are able to see all the details and even the number plates. The footage during the night will never be like the footage during the day. The Q800 Pro uses the Thinkware Cloud app. It's available for iOS and Android. It's easy to connect and easy to use. You can see live view, set up your connection settings, check all your recordings, and even download them to your phone. You'll be able to see the back camera as well if you have one connected. A very simple but very good app. My final opinion, the main things that I like the slim design. It looks great. It doesn't have a screen, so the design is very slim. Amazing. The easy way to the files with a companion app. It's so easy, you can download all your files. Easy. And the fact that comes with everything that you need. Thinkware is one of the top brands regarding dashcams. Now you have it, guys. This was our review on a Thinkware dashcam Q800 Pro. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this dashcam. Is worth it? Because it's not 4K, so let me know what you think about the image quality, the price, all of that. Okay, guys? With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.